Good place, good stay, totally worth it. Food can be little less expensive. Awesome, cool, but transit is a problem. Best FR people who wants to relax and away from city life. Redemption for solo travelers. I usually go to Yutan to spend a day alone in silence amidst the nature. Birds chirping. The sight of the sea at a distance. The beautiful trees. All of this elevates the mood and the experience. The rooms are so cozy. I wish they rented it out on a monthly basis and I'd happily stay there alone for a month. It just brings me so much closer to myself. Amazing vibes, enjoyed a lot. The property is amazing, views are amazing, and all in all, value for money. Location. Awesome location and very close to Mumbai. Hence all Mumbaikers looking for a day break from the rigmarole can surely head to this resort. Pleasant stay. It was a pleasant stay at the hotel. Food is expensive but worth the money. Overall I would rate it 8.5. Exceptional food was the only negative part. Location 10/10, food 6/10, ambience 9/10, rooms 8/10, cleanliness and bathroom 7/10, hospitality 10/10. Best place to stay. Beautiful view from compact room, breakfast was decent, perfect place to go with your friends, family and couple. Lunch and dinner we ordered came with good quantity and was delicious. Budget friendly and was worth it. Excellent, everything was good, except there were plenty of mosquitoes in the room after sunset. Nice place for a weekend getaway. Nice place for a weekend getaway. Little costly for the facilities they offer. Good. Pros: 1. Beautiful and relaxing. 2. Clean rooms. 3. Good food. Cons: 1. Bathroom needs major plumbing work to do. It was appealing at all. 2. Food is quite overpriced. Pleasant stay. 1. Though we had pre-booked our accommodation well in advance, when I cross-checked with them they said there is no such booking done. 2. When I sent the voucher to them in that time they agreed to accommodate but in an upgraded apartment as their basic ones were full. But to upgrade I was expected to pay different amount. 3. Even though with such minor challenges, our stay in their hospitality is something which will make us visit again. 4. Like the sea view from restaurant and pool area.